How to disable YouTube homepage on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can minimize distractions by disabling the YouTube homepage on your mobile device. This guide provides step-by-step instruction to help you focus on content that matters. So you can do it on iOS and Android both. First of all, you're gonna head over, open YouTube, and then you're gonna click on your profile at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an option of history. So you're going to click on view all over here. And then you're going to click on these three dots at the top right. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options: pause watch history, clear all watch history, and manage all history. You're going to click on pause watch history, and then you're going to click on pause. So simply click on pause watch history, click on pause, and wait for it to get loaded. And then you're going to click on these three dots again, and then you're going to click on clear all watch history. Then click on clear watch history. Just wait for the watch history to be cleared. And next thing that you're going to do is go to your homepage and simply, reload your homepage. And now you'll be able to see that your YouTube homepage has been disabled. So that was how you can disable YouTube homepage on mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.